So if you're struggling with keeping up with intermittent fasting or actually time-restricted eating, I'd like to help you out and give you some suggestions as to how to make you more successful. Hi, my name is Dr. Philippe. I'm a board-certified family medicine physician, former Division I basketball player, and a former personal trainer. And whether it's for health tips, wellness advice, nutrition insights, you've come to the right place. In my last video, I spoke about the differences between intermittent fasting versus time-restricted eating. Click the link in the video or in the description to see that video. But in this video, I want to really briefly talk about some of the most common reasons as to why I see people fail with intermittent fasting and ways to overcome each of these specific challenges. So number one, unrealistic fasting windows. I get it. You want to lose weight right now. Instead of fasting for a full 16 hours and jumping straight into an 8-hour eating window, start low, go slow. Broaden it out. Don't wait until noon to start your first meal. Give yourself more time to not only A, ingest some calories, but then also B, give you more time to fit the calories within the specific eating window. So for example, start with a 12-hour window, and then week by week or every couple of days, start to narrow it. Gives you more chance for success. Number two, you are not hydrated. Not hydrated at all. Neglecting water intake can definitely affect your hydration status. And if you're feeling dehydrated and hungry, you're prone to feel lethargic, weak, no energy, lightheaded, dizzy. You can't get your work done. You can't focus. You get hangry, very upset, irritable, etc. So my advice, start drinking water early and throughout the day. Water is okay during the time that you're fasting. And if you really wanted to add some varieties, you can also consider herbal teas or infused water. Number three, you're making unhealthy food choices. Just because you're intermittent fasting, that doesn't guarantee that you'll lose weight. You still have to do the right things. And the right things include eating a healthy diet and exercising. If you eat healthy, with the right number of calories, you exercise, and you put yourself in a time-restricted eating window, you'll get results. You'll see success. Opt for nutrient-dense and nutritionally balanced meals. Those include a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean meats, nuts, seeds, etc. Number four, another reason why you might not be successful is because you're ignoring your body's signals. Your hunger cues. You're ignoring your body telling you it's hungry, it's thirsty, and you're trying to push through because you set yourself a very aggressive goal and you're going to hit it because you got to lose weight now. Well, if you are feeling any symptoms of low blood sugar, really bad hunger, or really bad dehydration, you're not going to be successful long term if you keep depriving your body like that. If it's becoming overwhelming, something has to change. You can't always expect to do the same thing to yourself and expect different results. And number five, the reason why you're not able to lose weight despite intermittent fasting is because you're not consistent. Be honest with yourself. Are you consistent? Are you consistent with the food that you're eating? Are you consistent with the time window? Are you consistent with your hydration, with exercise, your lifestyle? Every single part of that counts and it matters. So, my advice for being consistent is to be consistent. It's my advice. Work smarter, not harder. Plan, meal prep, meal plan, make contingency plans. If you're living with a spouse, maybe the two of you can come up with a good schedule together, etc. There are a lot of different ideas you can find on the internet in terms of how to be more consistent. Use your smartphone, use your laptop, alarms, etc. You name it. Just be consistent. But remember, intermittent fasting, aka time-restricted eating, because that's technically what you're doing, but it's okay. Intermittent fasting is another tool that you can use to lose weight. You just have to use it effectively and in a smart way. And it is not an excuse to eat whatever you want and expect to lose weight. Thanks again for stopping by on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.